Hey, it's Tuesday and good to be back. I'm here just to show you my 1995, which is not an error one. This one is not an error one. This is another example of vise coins that some people would experiment on coins just to make it look like there's an error in there, but it's not. The thing about these coins is to take one coin, put it so you take one coin, this is another coin, right? You put it on top and there you go, and then you put it in a vise. So the vise would grip it very tight, and then after such time, when they remove it in the vise, they create and that's a good looking coin. And if you are new in a coin hobby, it would fool you, but to those who are old-timers, they will laugh at you. So this is another set, another examples of coins that are pressed or vised to create an error which is not. Hey, it's good to see you again. So have a nice day ahead, and see you when I see you.